Good Monday morning, everybody. Here we are. This is a regular customer. She hasn't called me in 2 years. So we have this nasty black stuff right here. And look at these gutters up here on the top. We're only going to do the front of the house to get it spiffed up nice. She's filming me right now, and I'm filming you. All right. We come around here. We got some kind of rabbit living in here. I went ahead and scooshed the dirt away. I'm going to start SH this up here. Okay, stay away from the bottom of the door. And we're going to tape this camera up. We're just going to clean the front of the house. And then this young lady's disabled, so she's has her parents here, and her mom and dad are the sweetest. And they have their car here. Look at that. He says he can't get it clean, so you know what we're going to do? We are going to get rid of this green off of here for them, make it look nice, and they'll be happy. Everybody's going to be happy today. And there's a fish pond out back. It's enclosed, so they're going to redo the fish pond. She says there's 2 fish in there and she don't care about them because they are going to get nuked, but I can finally get in there and clean the cage, the screens, and make everything look brand new back there. Then a couple weeks they're going to come in, tear that fish pond out and put a new one in. I suggested to make the lip 8 inches tall from the concrete so you can clean in there, and then we can just tarp it when you do want to clean it, and you can clean the cage and everything. And because you make it so nothing can get in the pond, chlorine will never get in there to hurt them, and you'll always be able to maintain it. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Let's get after it. We're going to pre-treat this driveway first. We're going to pre-treat the car. Then we're going to go ahead and get after this. We're going to rinse the car off first, of course. We don't want the SH sitting on there for too long. But then we're going to get after it, and there's no weeds. This thing will clean up really nice. That black stuff up there might need some pump up. All right, we'll see. Let's get after it. Oh, I also wanted to talk about, I had a gentleman send me an email on my Facebook page. He's cleaning some metal fence. It's oxidized, so he said he was going to use 3% SH on it, which SH is not going to do anything for oxidation. So he's going to have to clean each. It's got little slats. He just needs to power wash all the slats and get them all cleaned individually. It's going to be a long, tedious job. I hate those kind of jobs. But anyway, you're going to have to pressure wash it, young man. SH won't do anything for you. All right, let's get after it.
Through the circle wearing
All right, we got everything pretty much cleaned up. We got some black markings in the driveway up this way. We're gonna post treat it. We got the injectors gone bad on me, so I got to rebuild one. No problem. See this black stuff along here? Just spotted around over here. See that, right? See this over here? That, this, all this up here. Then we have it coming down the sidewalk here. Sure, it looks really nice and clean, but if you leave that, why did you even bother? Look at that car, boy. It looks really nice. Nice and clean. The old guy's gonna be very, very happy. He's got a walker now. You know, when you get old, stuff starts going bad on you, you know, like a car. Once you get to 500,000 miles. So we all have to look forward to that. I'm gonna be 68 in November. Pretty fortunate, I have my health. It's been a battle, but I'm back to being pretty good now. All right, so I'm gonna rebuild the injector. Then we're gonna post treat this and see if how much of that goes away. Then we're gonna head back to the back and look at this fish pond cage, all right? Let's get after it. Okay, there's a lot of guys that are talking about they're not using surfactant. Now, I use it. I don't know why they don't use it. I use it for a number of reasons. Number one, it helps the SH, sodium hypochlorite, better known as pool chlorine, stick to the surface you're working on to keep it clean. It makes it stick to the surface with the algae, you know what I mean? Plus, I use it as a gauge, as you just saw. It was pumping out a little bit of soap. You know, hey, if you're not using surfactant, you see little bubbles, you're gonna think, hey, you know, I think I'm spraying some, but you're probably not. As you can see, I was only spraying about 10% when I first started. Then the injector started working again, about 50%, and it got the algae off the gutters here. Anyway, those marks that are in the driveway, we're gonna let this stuff sit here and soak. Then we're gonna come back and see what needs to pump up sprayer and what does not. All right, but it looks really nice right now. Look at that. It's looking really good. The customer's gonna be happy as always. Just gotta rinse that part of the gutter off. They don't want me going down the side of the house. He has some plants here. Just one of his little projects he has going. Anyway, that's my take on injectors. I would always put surfactant in for those reasons. All right, let's get after it. Okay, I just went back there to take a look, and oh my goodness, boy, what a mess. You want to see mold and algae turn to gold? This is going to be the day. All right, let's go back here and have a look at this. Oh shit, you can see the screens from here, how dirty they are on the top. This thing is a mess. We'll clean the outside first. But look at this floor in here. Very dirty. Look at all this algae up here. Extremely, extremely dirty. So we'll put this camera over here. We can watch the magic happen, all right? Get you up here. Let's get after it. All right, we're gonna start spraying this down. As you can see, the screens are full of SH. So that'll eat up that algae, all right? Let's hope for the best here. Okay, look at that. Almost perfectly new. The screens are gonna be, I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna wash jet tip them from across the pool. Try to get some of that stuff out of there. But the cage is coming nice and clean. The deck will come clean too. And I don't know if those two fish are going to make it or not, but it looks like a bubble bath in there now. Hopefully they make it. They're still swimming around, so might not hurt them. All right, let's get after it.
She's buying a stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows if the stories are all.
Okay, let's have a look at this monster. When we got here, it was extremely dirty. I mean, these bricks and pavers have been in here for years, so they're not going to get any better. But it looks really good, nice and clean. Windows are clean. Everybody's happy. Pop's got his car clean and everything. Everything's good. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. See you at the next job. Let's get after it. Oh, let's see what that post treat did. Wow. Did quite a lot. I wanted to see this over here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Just very light. That strong post treat. New injector. With this black stuff along here. All right. That's going to be a wrap for this one. Like I said, we'll see you at the next one. Let's get after it. Happy Monday. Hey, hey. Job number 2. Now let's talk about it. Those are the kind of weeds that you can get out with a ball valve. There's only a couple. 1, 2, blah, blah, blah. For the most part, they're all gone. But look at all that black algae that's on there. Notice there's no surface cleaner marks though, okay? You know why that is? Pre-treat, post-treat. All right, so the first step, getting this driveway to be perfect, so that's what we're going to call this video. Perfect concrete. Let's do that. All right, and this is how you get perfect concrete every time. Okay, we're going to go ahead and run through step number 1, pre-treat. Step number 2, mini mondu. Step number 3, rinse. Step number 4, post-treat. Watch this thing turn from black and ugly to new concrete right before your very eyes. Let's get after it.
As we went on down the road, our shadows taller than our soul. The walks à la dare we all know. Who shines with the light and wants to show how everything still turns to gold. Yeah, she's buying that stairway to the highway heaven.
All right, that's how you perform and end up with a perfect clean driveway. Works every time. Man, that's sudsy, isn't it? Makes it good for the films and effect. Plus, you know how good your injector's working. Let's take a walk up here. how nice that sidewalk looks. Looks good. All right, down here in Florida, they don't have city water here or sewer. So what they do is they put the driveway like that, so the water goes in between there. So it's always a pain in the rear end trying to get it out of here. I'll go ahead and blow that out of here one more time. And how I'm doing that, it's going to be real sudsy. It'll add for the effect, I guess. Switch over to the 0015. Look at that dirty lens. Wash jet tip. Alright, I'm done for Super Blast pressure washing. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's get after it.